Hi, within this section, we're going to discuss how we can run our backdoor attacks on the outside network. So up until now, we have been testing our attacks on the NAT network. And after the inside network section, we can use all the attacks in the outside network as well. So of course you cannot use the man-in-the-middle attacks in the outside network. You have to be on the same network in order to conduct these attacks. But for backdoors, for beef, you can use outside network. And in this section we're going to focus on backdoors. So maybe you're thinking right now, rather than supplying my L host as NAT network IP, which is 10.02.15 in our case, I can use public IP, right? And you're right. You can use public IP, your public IP, which can you gather by writing what is my public IP to the Google, and you can set it to the L host when you create your backdoor. And that's it. But you have to do some additional settings as well, and I'm going to show you what are those. Basically, your public IP will retrieve this connection from the external network. Okay, so your victim will open the backdoor and this connection will come to your router, but your router will have to forward this to your Kali Linux machine. So you will have to obtain a local IP with your Kali Linux machine, a one starting with 192, and you have to tell your router to forward this connection to your Kali Linux machine. So you will have to work with your USB Wi-Fi card in order to obtain a local IP to your Kali Linux machine. And you have to set the L host to your local IP in the MSF console, and you have to do a setting in your router administrator panel to forward this connection as well. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do all of these things in the next lectures.